Bonjour tout le monde.
What about a delicious Jamaican coconut cake to surprise your guests this holiday? Just take your pens and paper and follow me. Start by preheating your oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Once it's done, make sure you have all the ingredients to follow the recipe. Everything from the coconut cake to the cream cheese frosting. Start by mixing all the dry ingredients in the bowl: flour, cornstarch, salt, and baking powder. Okay, that's a tough one. You have to do it though, you don't want to mess up the recipe. Use a whisk to combine everything and set aside. Add the room temperature butter, the oil, and the sugar and cream until light and fluffy. About 2 minutes. Yeah, that's enough. It's pale, nice and fluffy. It looks ready. Follow by adding the eggs one at a time. Wait about 15 seconds between each egg. Add the vanilla, followed by the coconut essence until well combined. I know I keep repeating myself, but everything needs to be nice and smooth. Finish by adding the coconut milk. Our mix is ready. Let's add the dry ingredients that we prepared before. They're well combined, of course. And to finish it all, add the cream cheese, the vanilla, and the coconut essence. The frosting is ready, creamy and delicious. The cakes are freshly out of the oven. Let them cool on a rack until we put our cake together. We are finally ready. Let's put our first layer. Add about 3 scoops of coconut frosting and spread evenly to get your first layer ready. This layer is ready. Add the second layer and do the same. Cover with the third layer and give your cake a nice crumb coat. Once it's ready, let's stand in the freezer for about 15 minutes and give your cake a final coat. Finish by adding coconut flakes all over the cake. And ta-da! Your Jamaican coconut cake is ready. Let's get a slice and see what we're working with. Oh my god, that looks delicious. C'est super bon. You can also cut in small pieces for wedding or to sell. À bientôt!